Hi, I thought I would make a quick video for you to answer your question that you sent in your email. I'm sorry, I make sure that I respond to emails within at least 24 hours, so it's been almost 24 hours since you emailed me, but I wanted to find the time today to make a video for you to help you see where you can easily find due dates for assignments and quizzes. As far as the quiz, as soon as at the end of each week, I go in and assign a 0 to any assignments that are not submitted. So that's why they were given a 0, but since it was within the first 3 lessons, you can submit that late without penalty, so I won't take any points off. If it for some reason doesn't let you go in and take it, let me know and I'll try to fix the setting on my end. So one place that I think is really helpful to view what you have coming up is calendar. So it's one of these top buttons I click, and you have the option to view it in a month view, so where it gives me, sorry if I click month, let's see if it's going to do it. There we go, my internet's slow. This isn't as helpful for me because you can't see, you have to click on each one unless if you just hold your finger over it but don't click anything and it pops up. This one's also helpful is clicking on list, because I can see the due dates and the assignments. So January 25th is Wednesday night, so I know all of these for lesson 4 are due by Wednesday night. Practice assignment, and lots of times like it has the directions where it's not really an assignment that's due, but this is where you see the directions and this is where you actually go in and submit. So it looks like a lot of assignments, but some of them are just the directions. So that is one place to see, and then you know the 26th is a Thursday. The only reason, let me just see one thing. I think all this is saying, it's not saying that's the due date, but that's when next week's assignment is available. It starts being available. Some of these others, the application activity is due January 28th, so Saturday night, so it shows you what things, it tells you when things are ending, like the topic introduction and listening practice from lesson 1 is no longer going to be available after January 28th. So it just shows you when things are no longer available. And the first 3 lessons, they had extended due dates, and that's why they're popping up. But as you go through the assignments, you shouldn't see things pop up from a few weeks ago. You should mostly just see what's due the Wednesday night and the Saturday night. Another place you can go is assignments. Some things are categorized as an assignment and some things show up as a quiz. So you can go to assignments and see for lesson 4 which things they call assignments and when they are due. So there's one assignment due Wednesday night, the reading and writing practice assignment. The other 3 are assignments that are due Saturday night. So you would click there. Then I would like to show you that not everything is housed under an assignment, because you'll see there's a lot of things missing because they are considered a quiz. So once you've made sure you have all those assignments in for lesson 4, you can come to the quiz. This one can be a little more confusing, but it shows current quizzes, so the things that are still open. So like the ones that you were missing, vocabulary quiz, part 2 is still open and available to take for lesson 2. But it will end Saturday night. You will no longer be able to get into it. But you can look through lesson 4 and see, okay, what things are due. January 25th is the due date for these ones, and then January 25th, and then January 28th for these other ones. The other thing, the reason the future quizzes are the ones that are not yet opened or available for you to submit. The only one for lesson 4 that still is not available is the learning report, because that one does not open until the Wednesday morning. so they don't want you even accessing that. You have from a Wednesday morning until Saturday night. I hope this is helpful. Once again, if you, and one other place, I know if I show you too many, maybe it's too much, but going to lesson 4 and getting started. So I'm just on the content page, lesson 4, getting started. You can go into a preview. And this is a nice, I think, at a glance to see, okay, here are the things that are going to do midweek, Wednesday nights. Here's what I need to do on Thursday, and these things are due Saturday night. Okay, hopefully that's helpful. Let me know if you have any more questions. I'm happy to answer them and help you make as much sense of this site as you can to be successful. So have a good night.